if you're a fan of orange, which a lot of our customers are recently, then you're going to love this dresser. It is made from Chinese pine. It's the original carcass, but it has been restored sympathetically with matching wood. But obviously the main showpiece of this is the vibrant orange lacquer. Really beautifully done. It's distressed, you can see the natural wood showing through, and it's been finished with a nice clear coat, giving it a professional sheen, which you can see here glinting in the sunshine. As you go down the piece, it becomes a little bit more distressed, giving it some nice texture and character to the solid wood. The double cupboard at each end houses a single removable shelf. It's great storage for a dining room, for a bedroom, because you've got this mix of drawers and cupboards, and also a lovely freestanding piece for a kitchen perhaps. Got nice deep drawers, and this beading detail around the cupboards and the drawers gives us quite a nice country feel, quite a nice traditional feel, which would actually work very well as a juxtaposition in a contemporary scheme, in something quite modern, just bringing in this very modern colour, but with some nice traditional solid wood, superbly made cabinetry. And each of the doors closes with a magnet. It's a practical piece, it's not too deep, so it doesn't jut out into the room too much, but offers great storage with 2 double cupboards and those 3 drawers. A really lovely one-off piece.